Hello students, today we will start with the chapter Mathematical Logic. This chapter is new for your syllabus because you had never heard the term mathematical logic. So it is very much easy chapter and its weightage is 8 marks. You can easily score the 8 marks for this chapter. Okay. Before we start with the chapter Mathematical Logic, first we will see what is the difference between mathematics, statistics and the logic. What is mathematics? So mathematics is the only format which deals with the number. Mathematics deals with the number. What is statistics? Statistics is based on data, observation or information you have. So statistics always deals with the data and observation. Now what is logic? Logic is logic is for the greater understanding, for reasoning. So logic is nothing but reasoning, or you can say logic gives us the greater understanding. For this concept we will see one example. So there is a platform, there are 4 persons waiting for the train. An announcement is there that the train is late. One random person is there who says that these trains are always late. One person says that these trains are always late. Second person, who is mathematician also, he says that there is at least one train which is late. Maths is always talk about accuracy. So that person who is mathematician, what he says, कम से कम एक ट्रेन ऐसी तो होगी ही जो लेट रहेगी वहाँ पे. Okay. The third person, who is statistician also, what he says that I don't have any data or any information, so I cannot say anything, because statistics deals with the data, information and observation, and he don't have any observations, so he say I don't know, I don't say anything about it. The fourth person, who is logician also, what he says that there are some trains which are late. Why he says that there are some trains which are late? Because he has the reason behind that. What was the reason? If one train is late, and you know that obviously between 2 trains there will be 4 to 5 minutes time gap. Okay, so if one train is late, definitely the next coming train will be also late. So logic always deals with the reasoning. So that person who is logician had the reason behind that, why he says that there are some trains which are late. Okay, understand? So logic always deals with the reasoning. Though that's why that person, fourth person who is logician also, he has the reason behind that of saying there are some trains which are late. Okay, so we will see. The word logic is derived from Greek word logos, which means reason. Therefore logic deals with method of reasoning. In the previous example of train, we can understand what is logic. Logic gives the greater understanding, and he have the some reason behind that. Okay, so logic derived from the Greek word logos, and the meaning of that word is reasoning. Okay, the logic concept comes in our world by the mathematician George Boole. In mathematics, logic has been developed by the English philosopher and the mathematician George Boole. For communication, we use sentence. In logic, we use statements which are special sentence. हम लोग बात करने के लिए sentence use करते हैं, but logic में statement use करते हैं जो कि special sentence होते हैं. अब हम लोग देखेंगे वो special sentence क्या हैं जो कि statement रहते हैं जिसको हम logic में use करते हैं. Before that, we will see the syllabus of this chapter, content of this chapter. Statement and its truth value, logical connectives, compound statement, truth table, negation of statement and compound statement, statement pattern, logical equivalence, tautology, contradiction and contingency, quantifiers and quantified statement, duality, application of logic, switching circuit, switching table. But for this year, duality and application of logic to the switching circuit and switching table is eliminated from your syllabus.